Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first way to perform this operation, you have to open your phone, open keyboard on it, and then enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and you will see the IMEI info here. And you can also go to settings, scroll down a bit, enter the system section, then go to the about phone, then to the status, and here you have serial number, and in the IMEI information you have your IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.